Boogie dad, boogie dad.
There goes
Boogie dad, boogie dad.
and he ain't wearing no clothes.
Oh, yes, they call him the streak.
Look at that,
Fast thing on 2 feet.
look at that, look at that.
He's just as proud as he can be of his anatomy. He gon' give us a peek. Oh, yes, they call him the streak.
Look at that, look at that.
Likes to show off his physique.
Look at that, look at that.
If there's an audience to be found, he'll be streaking it round.
Every bloody morning, same deal, demand your breakfast, while I sit here staring at a newspaper and a stupid hat, then you're off with that no hope mate of yours, cult. Bird watching in the park. Sorry, there is no breakfast for you today.
Didn't have nothing on but a smile. Ethel's in there getting her a cold drink. I hollered in there. I said, "Don't
Where is the romance we once had?
done been moved."
Hey there, come on in.
Throw the shock absorbers.
Well, we need to do something about these silly old farts. We slave all day over a hot stove, we do the washing, shopping, all for what? They wake up in the morning, all we see is a newspaper, then they are off for the day, bird watching in the park. They never even hear a word we say, and don't even know we exist. What the hell does a woman have to do to be noticed?
I have a good idea. Come on, let's head off to the park.
Pardon me, sir. Did you see what happened?
Yeah, then.
How about that one, mate? Absolutely gorgeous.
Ethel a snow cone. Here he come, right down the cheap seats. Right down the middle of the court there, didn't have nothing on but his high top Reebok.
Wow,
He
that's real
was
cute.
dribbling. Made a jump shot, got out through the concession. I hollered up to Ethel, I said, "Don't look, Ethel!" Too late, she done got a free shot. Grandstanding her, run turn throw the home team. Oh, yes, they
Good
call
one,
him
Gordy.
the streak.
I guess the ladies can't resist your hat.
Who's that with you? Ethel? Is that you, Ethel? Where do you think you're going? Get your clothes.
Here comes,
Boogie dad, boogie dad.
there goes
Boogie dad, boogie dad.
and he ain't wearing no clothes.
Oh, yes, they call him the streak.
Look at that, look at that.
Fast thing on 2 feet.
Look at that, look at that.
He's just as proud as he can be of his anatomy. He gon' give us a peek. Oh, yes, they call him the streak.
Look at that, look at that.
Likes to show off his physique.
Look at that, look at that.
If there's an audience to be found, he'll be streaking it round.
Did you see that?
Yep.
Did you notice what they were wearing?
Nope. But it sure needs ironing.
At the gas station, there seems to have been some disturbance here. Pardon me, sir. Did you see what happened?
Yeah, I did. I was just in here trying to get some air in my tar there, and he just appeared out of the traffic. Come streaking around the grease track there, didn't have nothing on but a smile. Ethel's in there getting her a cold drink. I hollered in there. I said, "No!"